Starting around 26 October 2023, Bitcoin money for the most part is exchanging at $253.53 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.15% in every way that really matters, most recent 1 hour in a by and large significant manner. BCH basically has an essentially complete market cap of $4,954,425,676, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $204,958,748 in a significant manner. This sort of makes Bitcoin money, BCH, sort of positioning at 18 in the digital currency market, which is genuinely critical. In the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money generally be truly worth in 2023, which in a real sense is very huge. Is Bitcoin money a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is genuinely huge? Will BCH cost basically outperform its unsurpassed high, which is very huge? These truly are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future, which in a real sense is very critical. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitcoin money estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost is supposed to generally cross a kind of normal value level of $259.46, the normal essentially least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to really be $248.26 in a quite enormous manner. Besides, BCH can generally arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $285.43. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Bitcoin money cost in every practical sense is conjectured to generally arrive at a scarcely the most minimal cost of $214.92, by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The BCH cost could sort of arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $241.78, with the typical expected cost around $235.06, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Bitcoin money cost truly is figured to arrive at an actually the least cost of $228.57, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The BCH cost could in a real sense arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $253.53, with the fundamentally normal expected cost around $239.77, which explicitly shows that this in a real sense makes Bitcoin money, BCH, positioning at 18 in the digital currency market, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin money, BCH, value figure October 2023. The Bitcoin money, BCH, cost for October 2023 may really arrive at in every practical sense, least worth of $235.61, while the very most extreme estimated cost truly is around $263.12 in an exceptionally significant manner. The very normal cost for BCH truly is in every practical sense anticipated to reach $244.56 in October 2023 in a really significant way. Bitcoin money value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the kind of greatest cost for Bitcoin money could especially stretch around $275.35, showing how besides BCH can really arrive at a very most extreme value level of $285.43 in a truly significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 is $242.94 with an in every way that really matters, normal cost of $251.90, which truly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the genuinely greatest cost for Bitcoin money could sort of stretch around $285.43, exhibiting how might BCH cost basically outperform its unequaled high, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 generally is $248.26, with a typical cost of $259.46, which truly is very huge. Bitcoin money past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been really diminished by 0.32% in its ongoing worth, or so they generally thought. Assuming we explicitly look at the sort of current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap truly is likewise down, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. From most recent 7 days, the BCH fundamentally was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 11.63%, exhibiting how, assuming we analyze the in every practical sense current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap especially is additionally down, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money in a real sense has shown extremely serious areas of strength of potential recently, and this could be in every practical sense great chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, which basically is genuinely huge. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the genuinely current cost and sort of beyond 30 days cost history, it in every practical sense is seen that Bitcoin money in a real sense has expanded 46.898% in its worth, exhibiting how Bitcoin money truly passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been especially diminished by 0.32% in its ongoing worth in an unpretentious manner. The kind of typical especially least cost for the month by and large is $130.31, while extremely greatest in every practical sense, normal cost in a real sense was $134.63. Exhibiting how from genuinely most recent 7 days the BCH really was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 11.63%, showing how on the off chance that we especially look at the truly current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap basically is likewise down. This suggests that this coin in every practical sense is a reasonable resource and another expansion to exceptionally your arrangement of coins for kind of long haul. The 90 days cost change for the most part is around 48.01%, and the cost in a real sense flowed from a by and large least exceptionally normal cost of $125.38 to in every practical sense greatest genuinely normal cost of $134.83 in the in every practical sense recent days in an unpretentious way. In sort of most recent 4 months, Bitcoin money fundamentally has shown a developing pattern, further appearance how the BCH cost could basically arrive at a truly greatest cost of $253.53, with the in every practical sense normal expected cost around $239.77. Which essentially shows that this by and large makes Bitcoin money, BCH, fundamentally positioning at 18 in the digital currency market in an essentially enormous manner. Hence, we generally believe that comparable pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per the in every practical sense, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin money essentially is expanded from 4 months in an unobtrusive manner. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost. The coin basically is up by 59.2%